Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some consumer advocacy trivia. Which organization was founded in 1968 to advocate for consumer rights? Is it A, National Safety Council, B, Environmental Defense Fund, C, Better Business Bureau, or D, Consumer Union? The correct answer is D, Consumer Union. What U.S. federal agency focuses on consumer protection? Is it A, National Labor Relations Board, B, Department of Housing, C, Federal Trade Commission, or D, Consumer Product Safety Commission? The correct answer is C, Federal Trade Commission. Which landmark act was passed in 1972 to protect consumers from harmful products? Is it A, National Environmental Policy Act, B, Federal Hazardous Substances Act, C, Consumer Product Safety Act, or D, Food Safety Modernization Act? The correct answer is B, Federal Hazardous Substances Act. What is the primary focus of the Better Business Bureau? Is it A, product recalls, B, charitable donations, C, business reliability, or D, customer complaints? The correct answer is C, business reliability. Which legislative act created the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau? Is it A, Glass-Steagall Act, B, Sarbanes-Oxley Act, C, Dodd-Frank Act, or D, Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act? The correct answer is C, Dodd-Frank Act. What term describes marketing tactics that mislead consumers? Is it A, brand loyalty, B, public relations strategy, C, ethical marketing, or D, false advertising? The correct answer is D, false advertising. Which publication is known for its product testing and reviews? Is it A, Consumer Reports, B, Good Housekeeping, C, Time Magazine, or D, Forbes? The correct answer is A, Consumer Reports. What is a class action lawsuit designed to address? Is it A, group consumer grievances, B, individual disputes, C, criminal charges, or D, property damages? The correct answer is A, group consumer grievances. What act requires disclosure of financial information in lending? Is it A, Bank Secrecy Act, B, Federal Reserve Act, C, Fair Housing Act, or D, Truth in Lending Act? The correct answer is D, Truth in Lending Act. What is the main goal of the Consumer Product Safety Commission? Is it A, profit maximization, B, market expansion, C, product safety, or D, product marketing? The correct answer is C, product safety. Which law addresses privacy rights for children online? Is it A, Internet Safety Act, B, Data Protection Act, C, Digital Accessibility Law, or D, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act? The correct answer is D, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. What term refers to unauthorized use of a consumer's personal information? Is it A, privacy violation, B, data breach, C, fraudulent access, or D, identity theft? The correct answer is D, identity theft. Which organization's motto is Your Voice for Fair and Honest Marketplace? Is it A, Consumer Federation of America, B, Better Business Bureau, C, Federal Trade Commission, or D, National Retail Federation? The correct answer is A, Consumer Federation of America. What is the role of the National Consumer League? Is it A, enforce tax laws, B, regulate financial markets, C, advocate for consumer rights, or D, promote corporate interests? The correct answer is C, advocate for consumer rights. Which act established the rights of consumers regarding credit reporting? Is it A, Truth in Lending, B, Consumer Protection Act, C, Credit Repair Organizations Act, or D, Fair Credit Reporting Act? The correct answer is D, Fair Credit Reporting Act. What does the term consumer advocacy focus on? Is it A, supporting advertising regulations, B, limiting consumer choices, C, promoting consumer rights, or D, promoting corporate interests? The correct answer is C, promoting consumer rights. What is the purpose of product recalls? Is it A, remove unsafe products, B, introduce new flavors, C, increase sales profits, or D, enhance product aesthetics? The correct answer is A, remove unsafe products. Which campaign promotes transparency in food labeling? Is it A, Healthy Kids Campaign, B, Know Your Farmer, C, Farm Fresh Initiative, or D, Organic Standards Program? The correct answer is B, Know Your Farmer. Which act protects consumers against unfair credit practices? Is it A, Truth in Lending, B, Consumer Credit Protection, C, Equal Credit Opportunity Act, or D, Fair Credit Reporting? The correct answer is C, Equal Credit Opportunity Act. What do consumer advocates use to document poor business practices? Is it A, advertisements, B, surveys, C, vouchers, or D, testimony? The correct answer is D, testimony. Which organization is known for fighting for food safety standards? Is it A, Center for Science in the Public Interest, B, United Nations, C, Food Network, or D? EPA United Nations is a global organization focused on international cooperation, not specifically food safety. The correct answer is A, Center for Science in the Public Interest. What was established to assist consumers with complaints against lenders? Is it A, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, B, Office of the Comptroller, C, Securities and Exchange Commission, or D, Federal Trade Commission? The correct answer is A, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Which concept refers to the right to make informed choices? Is it A, informed consent, B, autonomous declaration, explicit mandate, or D, prescription authority? The correct answer is A, informed consent. What does the term bait and switch refer to? Is it A, sales strategy, B, false advertising tactic, C, phishing technique, or D, marketing innovation? The correct answer is B, false advertising tactic. What term is used for misleading claims made in advertisements? Is it A, false advertising, B, misleading marketing, C, promotional content, or D, deceptive advertising? The correct answer is D, deceptive advertising. Which law requires ingredient labeling on food products? Is it A, Organic Standards Act, B, Food Quality Assurance, C, Nutrition Labeling and Education Act, or D, Food Safety Modernization Act? The correct answer is C, Nutrition Labeling and Education Act. What is the primary objective of anti-fraud programs? Is it A, enhance marketing, B, promote sales, C, prevent fraud, or D, increase revenue? The correct answer is C, prevent fraud. Which organization produces the annual Consumer Confidence Report? Is it A, Federal Trade Commission, B, Environmental Protection Agency, C, Department of Health, or D, National Safety Council? The correct answer is B, Environmental Protection Agency. What What do consumer complaints often lead to? Is it A, product recalls, B, customer satisfaction surveys, C, regulatory action, or D, profit increases? The correct answer is C, regulatory action. Which act established rights regarding warranty information? Is it A, Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, B, Consumer Protection Act, C, Fair Packaging Act, or D, Truth in Lending Act? The correct answer is A, Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. What is the primary role of consumer watchdog organizations? Is it A, provide legal counsel, B, promote advertising, C, monitor business practices, or D, regulate food prices? The correct answer is C, monitor business practices. Which complaint database does the FTC maintain? Is it A, National Fraud Registry, B, Better Business Bureau, C, Consumer Protection Agency, or D, Consumer Sentinel Network? The correct answer is D, Consumer Sentinel Network. What is the aim of the Fair Housing Act? Is it A, prevent housing discrimination, B, promote zoning laws, C, support rural development, or D, increase property taxes? The correct answer is A, prevent housing discrimination. Which regulation requires financial institutions to share privacy policies? Is it A, Fair Credit Reporting Act, B, Sarbanes-Oxley Act, C, Dodd-Frank Act, or D, Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act? The correct answer is D, Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act. What is the role of consumer representatives in regulatory hearings? Is it A, enforce market competition, B, evaluate corporate mergers, C, advocate for public interests, or D, determine pricing models? The correct answer is C, advocate for public interests. What are labeling requirements primarily focused on? Is it A, marketing strategies, B, product information clarity, C, packaging durability, or D, nutritional guidelines? The correct answer is B, product information clarity. Which act helps define and secure online consumer privacy? Is it A, CCPA law, B, Data Act, C, Privacy Act, or D, GDPR regulation? The correct answer is C, Privacy Act. What term refers to practices of misleading pricing? Is it A, price manipulation, B, pricing strategy, C, price deception, or D, price transparency? The correct answer is C, price deception. What does the acronym NCL stand for in consumer advocacy? Is it A, National Consumers League, B, National Charity League, C, National Council of Lawyers, or D, National Credit Lobby? The correct answer is A, National Consumers League. Who is primarily responsible for enforcing antitrust laws? Is it A, Department of Justice, B, Federal Trade Commission, C, Securities and Exchange Commission, or D, Bureau of Economic Analysis? The correct answer is A, Department of Justice. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.